What happens to your body when you eat mango every day? Imagine a vibrant, sweet, and juicy fruit that not only delights your taste buds, but could also transform your health. What happens when you decide to include mango in your daily routine? This tropical fruit, packed with nutrients, holds secrets that might surprise even the biggest skeptics. Have you ever wondered how a simple dietary habit can impact both your mental and physical health? Mango is a true gem of nature, loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that could be the boost your body needs. Get ready to discover benefits that go beyond just taste. But hold on, it's not all that simple. There are pitfalls and myths surrounding this wonderful fruit. Is eating mango every day really beneficial, or is there a darker side that few know about? Stay tuned, because your health journey starts here. What you're about to learn might change how you view food and bring new energy into your life. Get ready to dive into a world of mango discoveries you never imagined. Mango is not only loved for its sweet, juicy flavor, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. It's rich in essential vitamins like vitamin A, crucial for eye health, vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Mango also contains important minerals like potassium and magnesium, which play key roles in regulating blood pressure and muscle function. These nutrients make mango an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced and nutritious diet. Another standout feature is mango's high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping keep your gut running smoothly. The fruit is also packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your body's cells from damage. This combination of nutrients makes mango a healthy and delicious addition to your daily meals. Adding mango to your diet can be a tasty way to ensure you're getting enough of these vital nutrients. Whether in smoothies, salads, or just eaten fresh, mango easily fits into various dishes, letting you enjoy both its flavor and health benefits. Regular mango consumption can also help prevent certain diseases. Its vitamins and minerals boost your body's defenses, offering natural protection against infections and illnesses. So, mango is not just a tasty treat, it's a true ally in promoting good health. Plus, mango's versatility makes it an easy and accessible choice. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cool evening, this fruit can always be a refreshing and nutritious option. It's a simple way to enrich your diet and ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs to function well. When it comes to digestive health, mango is a fruit you can't ignore. Its fiber content is key to improving gut function. Dietary fiber helps form stool and promotes efficient food passage through the digestive tract. This is especially helpful for those dealing with constipation, as mango can act as a natural laxative. Besides aiding in constipation relief, mango's fibers also support a healthy gut flora. By consuming this fruit, you're feeding the beneficial bacteria that live in your intestines. A balanced gut flora is crucial for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption, making mango a great companion for a healthy digestive system. Another interesting fact about mango is its natural enzymes that aid in protein digestion. These enzymes help break down food, making it easier for your digestive system to do its job. Including mango in your meals can be a great way to enhance digestion. Eating mango not only improves digestion, but can also help prevent gastrointestinal issues. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds contribute to protecting the digestive tract, reducing the risk of inflammation and discomfort. This fruit is not just delicious, it offers benefits far beyond just taste. Lastly, regularly including mango in your diet can lead to an overall sense of well-being. With improved digestion and a healthy gut, you're likely to feel more energetic and vibrant throughout the day. So, don't hesitate to add this tasty fruit to your meals. Mango isn't just a delicious fruit. It also has a significant impact on skin health. This is largely due to its antioxidant properties, which help combat free radicals. These villains are responsible for premature skin aging, causing wrinkles and loss of elasticity. Another notable benefit of mango is its hydrating effect. The fruit has a high water content, which, when consumed, can help keep your skin hydrated. Dry, dull skin can be revitalized with regular consumption of this tropical fruit. Additionally, mango has properties that may help lighten dark spots, making it a great ally in achieving more even, radiant skin. Mango can also be used in homemade face masks to enhance its beneficial effects. When applied directly to the skin, it can nourish and rejuvenate, leaving your complexion healthier. This combination of internal consumption and external application can lead to even more noticeable results. The presence of vitamins A and C in mango is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A is known for its role in cell regeneration, while vitamin C boosts collagen production, which is essential for firm, youthful skin. One of mango's biggest draws is its low calorie count, making it an excellent option for those watching their weight. In a world where mindful eating is increasingly important, mango stands out as a tasty and nutritious snack that can be enjoyed in various meals without tipping the scales. Mango's fiber content also plays a key role in promoting satiety. Fiber is known for slowing down digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer. This is especially helpful for those trying to avoid excessive snacking between meals. So, mango not only nourishes, but also helps keep hunger in check. By incorporating this fruit into your daily routine, you can make healthier and more balanced choices. Replacing less healthy snacks with a slice of mango is a simple and delicious way to encourage better eating habits. Another advantage of eating mango is that it can help prevent overeating throughout the day. Having a healthy snack on hand reduces the temptation for more calorie-dense options. In this way, mango becomes an ally in the fight against cravings. When it comes to blood sugar regulation, mango is a fruit that can make a difference. This is due to the presence of bioactive compounds that help balance glucose levels. For those concerned about blood sugar, incorporating mango into the diet can be a smart choice. These compounds work to reduce glucose absorption, leading to more stable blood sugar levels after meals. Additionally, mango's fiber content helps regulate sugar by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing glucose spikes. This makes mango a tasty and beneficial option for those looking to keep their blood sugar in check. And the best part is, while enjoying its tropical flavor, you're also benefiting from a food that helps balance your sugar levels. Studies have shown that regularly consuming antioxidant-rich fruits like mango is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The idea is that the combination of fiber and bioactive compounds supports metabolic health. So, by including this fruit in your diet, you could be protecting yourself against this condition. It's important to note that moderation is key. A proper portion of mango can be enough to reap the benefits without compromising your total sugar intake. This means you can savor the fruit without worry, as long as it's balanced with other foods. When it comes to boosting your immune system, mango shines as a powerful fruit. The significant presence of vitamin C is a major factor here. This vitamin is known for increasing white blood cell production, which is essential in fighting off infections. Besides vitamin C, mango also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This is important because chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, from heart disease to diabetes. By consuming mango, you're not only taking care of your immediate health, but also investing in long-term well-being. Another interesting point is that mango can be a great option for those looking for foods that help keep the body healthy, especially during seasonal changes or outbreaks of common illnesses. By strengthening immunity, this fruit helps your body stay prepared for external challenges. Of course, immune health doesn't rely solely on diet. It's a combination of habits that include regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet. But adding mango to your menu can be a positive and tasty step in your health journey. So, folks, now that we've explored all the incredible benefits of eating mango daily, it's time to reflect on how this fruit can be a real ally for your health. Can you imagine including mango in your daily routine? Think about the delicious taste and powerful nutrients it brings. What if you start noticing positive changes in your body, your energy, and even your mood? Wouldn't that be amazing? But of course, everything in moderation, always respecting what your body needs. Now tell me, have you ever tried making recipes with mango? A refreshing smoothie, a colorful salad, or even a special sauce for a dish? The possibilities are endless. And what do you think about sharing your experiences? How has mango been part of your diet? Drop your ideas in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips on health and wellness. Together, we'll continue this journey toward a healthier and happier life after 50. Your health is your greatest asset, and every choice counts. Now, I recommend clicking on one of the videos appearing on the screen to keep learning how to age healthily and full of energy. See you next time.